Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm back with an update video about Bitcoin price. Okay, in our previous video we discussed how Bitcoin is gonna behave in a long run, and yesterday we saw a major dump in the Bitcoin market, which was almost $10,000. So if you haven't watched our previous video on Bitcoin, please go ahead and do that so that you can understand the full context of this video. All right, and in that video we looked at some of the reasons and some of the price action due to which we were predicting in a long run that Bitcoin is gonna touch this supply zone here and then go down to break this flag limit and reach this imbalance and fulfill this imbalance. So I'm gonna touch base on these things that we had discussed in our previous video, and I'm gonna show you how and why we think that the yesterday dump was okay, why it happened. So let me go ahead and here's the video that we uploaded on Bitcoin, our previous video. Okay, and if you haven't watched this, go ahead, go over to our channel and please watch it now first. Then please come back to this video that we are making. Okay, so in that video, around 6 minutes, we explained why the price is going upward to touch this zone, which is exactly what happened. Yesterday, the market reached this level, and then there was a major dump of almost $10,000. Okay, so let me just go ahead to our charts, and here you can see that the price was currently here at the making of this video. It was almost at 45,500 level or 800 level. Okay, and recently yesterday it reached this level and then came down all the way to it reached the 55,000 and came down all the way to 45,000. So let me just go ahead and show you here that at the making of the video the price was somewhere around here. Okay, and then it reached this level and then it came back all the way and it reached this very low of 42,075 $750. So in this video I'm gonna touch base on why this happened and show you how you can use the supply demand in your trading analysis or in your price action analysis. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can understand these concepts very clearly and you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So the reason why we predicted with our price action the Bitcoin to reach this $52,000 level and then come down was because we had spotted a major supply zone here. Here you can see that we have a rally, base, and drop supply zone. Okay, so this is basically a rally. This big candle, this big green candle is basically a rally candle, and then we have the base zone in which the price is moving sideways. Okay, and then we have a very big candle that is in bearish direction, and this is basically our drop. So because of this supply zone, we had predicted that the price is gonna come back at this level in later stages. Okay, and then it's gonna get more supply and go down, because once we had spotted the supply zone, we immediately knew that the big institutions are gonna place pending orders, okay, at this level, because they know that the price is gonna come back. So what happened is price went down to this level, and then from here it rallied up in order to pick those pending orders which were unfulfilled at this supply zone. Okay, and now after taking this supply, it's going downward. So here there was a lot of supply, because when those pending orders that were here got fulfilled, there was a lot of supply, due to which we saw a major dump in the market of almost, we can see that, $10,000. Okay, so that's the reason why there was a major dump in the market. And in a long run, because the things I'm talking about are not for intraday trading. Okay, because the short-term traders or the intraday traders, they are like, these things don't apply to them. These are only for the long-term investors who are looking to keep the Bitcoin for in the long run. Okay, because in our analysis we saw a major imbalance at this level. Okay, at this $22,000 levels, because there was a very bullish move in the market and the price never came back to balance that bullish move. So in the long run we predict that the price is going to come back to this level after breaking this flag limit zone which we already know has been tested almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times. Okay, so this flag limit zone is very weak zone now, and after taking a lot of supply from here, in the long run the Bitcoin is gonna go down to fill this imbalance. Okay, so let me go ahead and again and show you how we draw this supply zone. So from here we can, as I discussed earlier, that there is a supply zone here. Okay, and it took supply and went down to test this flag limit zone, but the supply that it got from here was not enough that it could break this flag limit. So again, what happened is it went up, the price went up in order to fulfill the pending orders that were placed at this level by the big institutions and big traders, trading companies. And then from here, we as a retail traders, we should follow all these big moves in the market. Okay, and we should always know what the institutions are thinking or how they are trading. Okay, and only by that way we can make some profit. So after the supply zone here, the market, there was not enough supply that it could break through this flag limit zone, so it went up again in order to take more supply. And now here you can see that in a one day, the market dumped almost $10,000. Now it has a lot of supply here. Okay, that's why today as well we are seeing a bearish market. And you can see that I'm using the daily chart. So again, this analysis is not for the intraday trading. Okay, intraday trading, because in it, the things I'm talking about are gonna happen, but they're gonna happen in the long run. So this is what we predict, that the price is gonna come back to this level, come down to this level in order to fulfill this imbalance. If you are not familiar with the imbalance, how we spotted this imbalance, and how this there is a flag limit zone, please head over to our channels to watch our previous video on the Bitcoin analysis. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and also please share in the comments what do you think about our analysis, and if you have any analysis to share, please write them down in the comments as well. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.